Hi there, my name is Mila, and I help people learn a new language in a fast and easy way. In this lesson, you will learn the plural form of nouns in Russian. In Russian, there are different forms of the plural depending on the gender of the noun. Let's look at the masculine gender first. If a masculine noun ends in a consonant, we add "ı" to the end of the noun. For instance, televizor, televizore. If a noun ends in "i" or мягкий знак, which is soft sign, we remove "i" or the soft sign and add "i" to the end of the word. For instance, музей, музеи, гость, гости. Regular feminine nouns end in "a", "ya", or мягкий знак, which is soft sign. If a feminine noun ends in "a", we need to remove "a" and add the letter "ы" instead. For instance, lampa, lamпы. If a noun ends in a "ya" or мягкий знак, which is soft sign, we need also to remove these letters and add the letter "и" instead. For instance, неделя, недели, кость, кости. For plurals of feminine and masculine nouns, never write the letter "ы" after the letters г, к, х, ж, ш, щ, and ч. For instance, книга, книги, кошка, кошки. Regular neuter nouns end in "o" or "ye". If a noun ends in "o", you're going to remove this letter and add the letter "a" instead. For instance, окно, окна. And if the word ends in "ye", you are going to replace it with the letter "ya". For example, море, моря. Some of the nouns don't follow the rules that we mentioned earlier. Let's look at some examples. Глаз, глаза. Дом, дома. Адрес, адреса. Друг, друзья. Брат, братья. Дочь, дочери. Время, времена. Имя, имена. Стул, стулья. Ухо, уши. Some of the nouns are used only in plural form. Брюки, брюки. Деньги, деньги. Духи, духи. Будни, будни. Каникулы, каникулы. Ножницы, ножницы. Now let's choose the correct plural form of the word тетрадь. What's the plural form of the word карандаш? Мама, где мои книги, тетради, карандаши и ручки?
Они на кухонном столе.
А, вот мои книги, ручки, тетради и карандаши. А где мои брюки, кофты, носки и джинсы?
Они в стиральной машине.
Я ничего не могу найти в этом доме. Thank you so much for watching. Check out another video and don't forget to subscribe.